Yeah, we sure are filming you guys.
Hey guys.
We sure are filming you guys. So it's Industry Fields. Industry Hill Sheriffs. Over here. So these left already. This guy, they got somebody in the back seat right here. I'm going in reverse now. But they got somebody tied up in there in the back seat. So I'm not sure. So it's sheriffs here. LA County Sheriffs. And we got other sheriffs, other vehicles. Out here. Another one out here. This is the one that had the guy that they, I'm assuming, arrested. They have him in the back that car. Out here are Azusa and I believe Vincent Amar. Azusa and Amar. It's like borderline city of Industry, West Covina, but this is definitely sheriffs here. And then you guys see over here, this is sheriffs also, and now they're over here, like not even sure what they're doing, just over here. Probably some shady activity because one of them had told their friends, hey, they're filming us over here. We do. How about you?
Why don't you say it louder so I can hear you?
He said, get a life. How about you stop taking lives? He says, get a life. This coward over here, he just screamed out some shit. And then go. You just scream out some things and then go, huh? Coward. The license plate here. Coward. Yeah, just go in circles. Go in circles, exactly. Yeah, he wants to just go in circles. He says, why don't you guys get a life? I said, why don't you stop taking lives? And then he just walks away. He just dips into his truck over here. That's LA County Sheriff's. So I'm out here with Whittier Watch. Got these sheriffs over here. Now they're taking off. Looks like a private vehicle, maybe their own personal vehicle. Let's see where they go. You know what? Looking at the tint of the vehicle, looks very, very dark. So I'm sure that's not legal. Anybody else that would have that tint, they'd definitely pull them over. Use it for a cause to pull them over. So it's okay apparently for him to have that really dark tint all the way around. But there they are. Just there, just stopped, just parked right there. Oh, now they want to take off. See if they come up over here in the front. LA Confidential out here with Whittier Watch, rolling up on this investigation, and these cops right away they want to start mouthing off for a simple camera. Let me see if they left. They might have left out there in the truck out there, or they might still be here. I believe they left. So I'm gonna let this one go here and go look for some more of these crooked ass motherfuckers.